Jumping into the very last story for today's Cardano Scoop, I want to briefly touch on the Blueshift DEX. Now, Blueshift is going to be a bridgeless cross-chain DEX with index fund support, and they're now going to be launching or releasing their first ever Cardano startup index. Now, over the course of the past couple of months, we've just seen so much more hype and so much more awareness surrounding index funds, i.e. through the launch of Linkage Finance, the Maze protocol, as well as Matera. Now, those are all going to be Cardano native projects. And one thing that Blueshift does differently is the fact that they're going to be cross-chain. So one really cool piece to keep in mind there when it comes to the Blueshift DEX. Now, I recently talked about the fact that they also implemented what they call wrapped smart contracts, and those are deployed on the Milkamada sidechain. And so that's basically going to allow for easier accessibility and easier interoperability with anybody who's on Cardano looking to leverage or utilize the Blueshift platform.